In this video, we'll discuss about the components of salary and a brief explanation about perquisites. Section 17.1 discusses about the components of salaries. First is the wages. Wages is any sum of money paid under the contract by the employer to the employees for services rendered. Then is annuity or pension, which is the payment received from the previous or present employer after attaining retirement. Annuity received from the present employer is taxed as salary, and annuity received from the previous employer is taxed as profit in lieu of salary. Gratuity is any payment received under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Fees, commission, perquisites, and profit in lieu of salary. Any amount received as fees from the employer for services rendered is included in the definition of salary. If the employer receives a fixed commission as a percentage of sales or profit, it shall be considered as salary. Perquisites are benefits given to employees in addition to salary. This profit in lieu of salary, we will discuss it in detail in the subsequent videos. Advance salary, salary received in the financial year before it actually becomes due, is termed as advance salary, which is a part of salary. Leave encashment, compensation received for accumulated leave, is called leave encashment. Provident fund, contribution by an employer exceeding 12% of the salary or annual interest exceeding the rate notified by the central government. For example, for the financial year 22-23, it was 8.15%, which was notified by the government. Also, the taxable portion of the transferred balance from the unrecognized provident fund to a recognized provident fund will also be considered as salary. National Pension Fund, contributions made by the employer in the employee's account under the National Pension Fund will form a part of salary. Agnivir Corpus Fund, this is introduced with effect from 1st of April 2024. Any contribution made by the central government to the Agnivir Corpus Fund account of the individual enrolled in Agnipath scheme referred to in section 80 CCH also forms part of the salary. Perquisites or perks are employee benefits which are discussed in section 17(2) of the Income Tax Act. Perquisites are benefits given to employees in addition to salary. Some important perquisites I have stated here. The value of rent-free accommodation provided to the SIC by his employer. Perquisites in respect of motor car. I will be preparing separate videos for this. Perquisites in respect of services of sweeper, gardener, watchman, etc. Perquisites in respect of supply of gas, electric, energy or water for SSE household consumption. The value of benefit to the employee resulting from provision of free or concessional educational facilities. The value of benefit to the SSE resulting from provision of interest-free or concessional loan. The value of benefit in terms of traveling and accommodation for any holiday facility availed by the employee. Any sum payable by the employer for the life insurance of the employee. These are few of the perquisites. I will be discussing the first two in detail and I will be preparing separate videos for that. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.